How Easy Go. So it's been 30 years and I have never done a video for my own dance. So as I see other people putting it on, I thought, well, maybe it's time for me to do likewise. Anyways, thank you to all the dancers out there who have made this dance a legend. I really appreciate it. Right foot is free, and you're going to do four what they call sugar foot. So your toe goes out, your knee goes in. So I always tell people, knee in, knee out, step forward, cross hold. Knee in, knee out, step forward, cross hold. So you're touching your toe, you're touching your heel, you step forward and hold. You touch your toe, you touch your heel, you step forward and hold. So that's a very simple count. Let's do it together. 7 and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. You're going to take a great big step back with that right foot, dragging your left foot in. So it goes 1, together, right, left, right, touch. You're doing an angle. Now I can see where people thought there was a turn. It's a slight angle to your left, which is a basic. Step, together, step, touch. And a slight angle to your right. Step, together, step, touch. So after the sugar foot, you step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, touch. That makes 8 counts. Basic, step, together, step, touch, step, together, step, touch. Now when you go to do the next step touch, you face back to 12 o'clock, touch, kick your right foot forward, kick, kick, step back on the right, touch the left foot in, and to make that turn, the left foot does an 1/8 of a turn, and then you finish it with a right scuff, making the next 1/8 a quarter. Scuff. And that foot is ready to start again. So, when you came back, you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot is ready for sugar foot. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross again. Toe, heel, cross again. Step back on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. Touch. Basic on an angle. Basic on an angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and scuff. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Toe, heel, step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Basic. Forward touch, kick, kick, turn, and scuff. Do it again. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Toe, heel, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Basic. Face front and kick, kick, step, touch, turn, and we do it all over again. Well, we didn't know about tags 30 years ago, or we didn't do them. So the music was done to Any Way the Wind Blows by Brother Phelps, but all over the world it is done to different music, mostly to Shania Twain, a nice Canadian artist.